Have you ever felt like some years just flow so well for you, while others feel completely stuck? Maybe you've tried astrology, numerology, even tarot, and still feel like something's missing? What if I told you that your birth date contains a secret code, a personal energy map, Bazi chart that reveals your natural strengths, weaknesses, and even which elements bring you wealth, love, or health? Hi, I'm Shui Mu, and today we're diving into the Chinese metaphysics system of Bazi, and specifically how to find your lucky element, also known as the Yongshen or the Useful God in your birth chart. Bazi literally means 8 characters, and it's based on the exact time and date of your birth. It's made up of 4 pairs of characters: year pillar, month pillar, day pillar, hour pillar. Each pillar consists of a heavenly stem and an earthly branch, and every character corresponds to one of the 5 elements: wood, fire, earth, metal, or water. Your birth chart is like your energetic DNA. But among all those elements, not all of them are good for you. This is where the concept of the lucky element, Yongshen, comes in. Imagine your birth chart as a team of workers. Some of them are overworked, some are lazy, and some are missing. The lucky element is the one energy that brings the entire team into harmony. It's not just about what's missing, it's about balance. Let me give you an example. Step 1. Identify your day master. Look at the heavenly stem of your day pillar. This is you, your core energy. Are you wood, fire, earth, metal, or water? Step 2. Analyze surrounding elements. Are you overwhelmed by one element? Is your day master weak or strong? This takes practice, and in most cases, you'll want a practitioner to assess it for you. Take this example. This is Bazi Chart Generate, based on this birthday. You are Yi Mu. We see a lot of water and wood around you. Somehow, you are strong wood, because water and wood will support Yi wood. Step 3. Determine the correct element for balance. Once you know your structure, for example, weak fire or overly strong wood, you pick the element that corrects it. That's your Yongshen, your lucky element. For example, weak metal, you need earth to generate metal. Too much water, you need earth to block water, or fire to control it. Let's take Emily, born on March 10, 1990, at 3 p.m. Her day master is Yi wood, Yi Mu. Looking at her chart, she's got a lot of fire and earth, very little water or metal. Here's something crucial to note. The earthly branch of your month pillar plays a huge role, about 70% of your whole Bazi chart, especially in whether it supports your day master. So let's break this down. Mao wood supports Jia wood and plays a major role, around 60 to 70% of the chart's weight. If we also spot a water or another wood element assisting Jia wood, we can say this is a strong day master. And right here, we see Ren water next to Jia. It nourishes and strengthens it. That confirms this is a strong wood chart. Moreover, the Shen metal, Shen Jin, in the hour pillar, according to the 5-element generation and control cycle, strengthens the Ren water, Ren Shui. This makes the overall chart relatively strong. Therefore, it requires metal to control and earth or fire to drain or balance the excess energy in order to maintain harmony among the 5 elements. Result, her wood is wet and strong. Her lucky element, metal, earth, and fire. So, when Emily wears a metal element crystal, like white or brawn close or black crystal, she feels more focused, more emotionally balanced, and her luck with money actually improved. Once you know your lucky element, you can align your environment, lifestyle, and even fashion with it. Wear crystals and colors of that element, place matching Feng Shui objects in your home, choose career paths or business partners that support your energy, know which years and months bring supportive energy. This is more than just spiritual, it's a strategic life tool. In Chinese metaphysics, natural stones and crystals are seen as energy conductors. Each crystal carries the frequency of one of the 5 elements. For example, citrine is associated with the earth element. Aquamarine is associated with the water element. Rose quartz is associated with the fire element. Green aventurine is associated with the wood element. Hematite is associated with the metal element. That's why we offer Bazi customized crystal bracelets designed to support your lucky element. These aren't random lucky charms, they're tools to enhance your personal energetic balance. Now, don't confuse this with your zodiac animal or your Western element. Just because you're a Scorpio water sign doesn't mean your Bazi lucky element is water. And no, you don't just pick the prettiest crystal. This system is logical based on ancient observations, but also flexible and personalized. Now you might be wondering, how do I get my Bazi chart read? You can try to DIY with online calculators, but for true accuracy, you'll need a full chart reading from a trained practitioner like me. In our next video, we'll dive into the 5 elements personality types, so you can understand your natural talents and blind spots. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if it resonated with you. Your destiny is already written, but how you activate it is up to you.